We got new intel for the evidence board.
What Talia said about the League is concerning. If they really are without a leader, then
There's no telling what they'll do next.
I was just thinking of that
Think they'll
time we all
behave
made
and
dinner
stay put for
together,
a change?
and Tim got tomato
I
sauce
doubt
all over Bruce and Bat.
It was worth a shot.
I don't remember that.
What? No, you have to. It was the same year.
You know what? Never mind. Dumb story anyway.
Well, I could tell you a story. It's about being dead, then brought back to life by a pit of mind-altering goo.
Hey, I didn't mean...
I don't know what's worse. Having a chunk of my life taken away from me, or coming back to everyone thinking I'm gonna snap.
I'm sorry, Jason. We shouldn't have... I shouldn't have treated you like an outsider.
My God, you're such a Boy Scout. No wonder you were the first. Yeah. Penitentiary, home to some of Gotham's worst. I'm not just talking about the inmates.
GCPD and... Blackgate used to be a fort back in the colonial days before they turned it into a prison.
And you're giving me a history lesson. Why?
I studied the architectural plans and found some oddities. There may be an entrance to the west.
Thanks, Belfry. I'll go check that out.
Got it? Watch your step. Blackgate is super...
Belfry, I got in. Next up, Harley's cell.
The X on her map corresponds to cell block 3, past Nexus processing. The guards have withdrawn their patrols from that block.
So there's no telling how bad things have gotten in there. Great.
What happened this time?
Spotted another runner. Tripped.
Sure he did.
We're getting more rabbits every day. I'm not paid enough for this shit.
None of us are. We'll stuff him in solitary and then send the doc in to take a look at him.
Can't stand that guy.
You know this escape attempt is gonna buy him 2 more years at least. What was that?
Now I hate him even more.
Better head over there! He's down!
All right, I'll come with. Hey, Red Hood's here!
Yes!
You're just enough.
Right? Yeah, but I'm not done yet. Something.
Very much. No. Look at this.
Got the metal.
Hey guys, we got a guest coming in tonight. Keep the home fires burning.
Harley, the PA. Party balloons and a fight. Harley must be nearby.
What the what? We're all good. Let's get out of here. Look, it's Red Hood. See you, Red Hood. Get away.
Did you roll up the method We got us a bona fide hero in our midst. Ain't that Red Hood?
Real warm welcome, Harley.
Dead Hood. Looks like you've been eating well. Still big as an ox and twice as mean.
Been a while, Harley. You good?
Was it too much to ask you to visit earlier?
You were looking into something for Batman. What was it?
Wait a second. This means the Bats is dead. For real. Well then. He asked me to profile some criminals. On account of my being a brilliant psychiatrist.
Guess of all the criminals he knew, you'd be the one to ask.
Hey! I am not a criminal. I'm misunderstood.
Look, you know what I'm here for. Hand it over.
Everything is in this book. But I'm missing my piece de resistance. I need you to follow up on this here card. That'll make it perfect.
Figures you're not making this easy for me.
It should be down in records. Okay. Bye. Oh, and records are in the basement! Just head on through!
What am I, a gopher?
Better check that out.
Check that out!
Don't keep it waiting!
That's not good.
Be ready. This doesn't look good.
Unauthorized presence!
Stop right now!
There was an elevator in the Nexus. Maybe that goes down to the basement.
Processing cell door breach. Containment in progress.
Tonight is looking up.
Entering processing area now.
Better see what's going on.
Red Hood! Time to move! Got some party crowd! Don't move! You mean no one's gonna stop us?
The guards got their hands full. And I heard Batman ain't doing nothing no more.
Possibilities are endless.
Sanders! What was the aim looking too good?
I thought you were supposed to be good at this!
Pipe down.
Turn, Red Hood! I'll fix you like a mouse! You ain't ready for this!
Come on, Harley. You're too smart to just send me on an errand after an old file. What do you want me to find out? Maybe there's something more in this catalog. Okay. Bingo. Here's what Harley was looking for. I think I found out all I can about this case. I wonder what Harley will have to say about it.
I wonder what this has to do with Batman's investigation.
What the hell does Harley want from this file?
No telling what Harley's thinking, but I'm sure she has a good reason.
It's like she says. Time for us to get ours, ain't it?
Good job, everyone. You made things even worse.
We know what's what.
Gotham's our city. It doesn't belong to you dicks.
What do we got here?
We almost got him.
There's a mask right here.
There's a vigilante here.
He's more than dead.
Shit, what's happening? Hey, finish!
Hey.
You're back.
And I got you what you wanted.
Gibby. Now, how will I get this to you? Wait. I know. Ta-da!
Seriously? Do I look like I'm 12 to you?
All available guards to red block.
Play nice.
Damn it, Harley. Hot plate coming through.
You ready for the pop?
Shit. What the hell am I supposed to do with this, Harley?
Hiya, dead hood. Miss me?
Harley, I didn't give you this number.
Don't you worry about that. I wanted you to know that you'll be seeing me again real soon.
We got new intel for the evidence board.
Thinking about what happened at Blackgate, Master Jason?
I can't believe Harley got away. She played us, and I'm sure she's got more shit planned.
She hasn't left any other messages or maps. Do you have any leads on where she might have gone?
Not really, but the freaks are usually her partners in crime.
A good place to start, then.
In today's Gotham Minute, we focus on a prominent and often...
Wow. Harley's profiled some seriously antisocial prisoners here.
Look, something's going on at Blackgate. We lean on that warden, we're set.
No, these records go back centuries, man. The warden's new. Doubt she's involved.
How did I miss this? Oh, right. Harley's stupid system makes no sense.
Babs. Hey, Babs, what did you figure out?
They all got out on appeal. That's what Harley was tracking. In every case, key witnesses were murdered. Look, they were all pinned up with knives. Just like Langstrom.
Bruce is onto something.
Oh? I think I've got something. Oswald Cobblepot, the Penguin. He's like everyone else in here, except he served his sentence every single time he was arrested.
Someone must have hung him out to dry. Might be he's willing to talk.
He runs the Iceberg Lounge now. Claims he went legit.
He definitely runs more than liquor through that bar.
I wouldn't know. Batman would never take me.
If you wanted a fake ID, Tim, all you had to do was ask.
Oswald's dangerous. And we can't forget Harley's still out there. We have to be careful.
Relax, Dick. We got this.
I've intercepted a rather urgent call from Star Labs. This seems different from the usual nighttime disturbance.
There's some hazardous experiments going on there. I'll head out right away. better take a different way in, like Batman would.
Better go have a look-see. This place is boring as shit.
Speak for yourself. I need to get my head kicked in. Again.
Be quiet.
Speak for yourself. I don't miss the fat mess and running our business. It'll show up sooner or later. Always does.
Check that out.
You do your thing. I'm not wasting my time.
Keep your eyes open. We need to find them. We don't.
You can't be here.
Of course it's locked.
That door's sandalwood. Custom job. Fixing it's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Yeah, just answer my questions and I won't break anything else.
Smile. Viral video of you assaulting a reformed citizen is the last thing you need right now.
Reformed? Huh. Guess all that time in Blackgate did the trick. Funny how you weren't able to weasel out of it like so many of your pals.
Someone's done their homework.
I want to know who's handing out get-out-of-jail cards.
If you really want to go down this rabbit hole, you need to know there's no coming back from it.
Never stopped me before.
I'm gonna spell this out for you. With the bat gone, you're not worth my time. Get lost. Beat it. I got work to do.
Belfry, Penguin was a dead end. Whatever he knows, he's not...
We have new clues for the board.
Penguin kept his mouth shut. Batman made this stuff look easy.
You may be surprised to learn Batman struggled with similar challenges early in his career. So for a time, he focused his energies elsewhere in the city. When word of his work got out, people were more inclined to cooperate.
The city. We've been so wrapped up in Batman's last case, we ignored the rest of Gotham.
Gotham may not know Batman is gone, but it certainly feels his absence. There has been a marked increase in gang-related crime.
Plus, whatever shit Penguin's up to these days. Maybe if we mess with him, and a few other crooks, he'll feel like talking.
You've also received messages from Lucius Fox and Detective Montoya. They may be able to help.
Thanks, Alfred. Guess it's time to take a page out of Batman's book.
I promise it's an excellent read. An encrypted message from Fox Tekka.
It's Lucius. Sorry I've been a ghost since the funeral, but I just realized I forgot to send flowers. If you're ever in the neighborhood, let's meet in my building. I'd like to give you them in person.
Lucius Fox wants to give us flowers. Does he know couriers exist?
Knowing Lucius, I suspect he has something far more useful for us. When you reach Fox Tekka, head straight to the roof.
In today's Gotham Minute, we focus on a prominent and often controversial figure, Oswald Cobblepot. The most infamous, if not famous, member of Gotham's long-established Cobblepot family, Oswald Cobblepot entered...
See anything interesting, Fox?
You trying to give me another heart attack? Batman taught you everything, huh?
Hey, I taught him a few things too. Though he was better at watching Gotham. Even when I was trying to take out the gangs, I couldn't stay a step ahead of them like he could.
You're getting there. The bat doesn't fall far from the belfry. From what I've seen, anyway.
Thanks.
Don't thank me yet. Your mentor and I always knew that something like this could happen. When I left Wayne Tech, we kept some research going. There are a lot of eyes on you now. No one's looking at Foxteca. As long as I got a breath between the gills, you'll still have everything you need to carry on Batman's legacy. Speaking of which...
You can bring me flowers anytime.
It's Luke's design. A custom bird to help you get around a little quicker. Hefty enough to support exactly one hero.
Hello, beautiful. Care to show me around Gotham?
Now you can thank me.
Thanks, Fox.
Over here.
I'm ready to take her out for a spin, Fox. How do I start?
You're getting ahead of yourself. Before you can use the bird, you'll have to clear a path for it.
I knew there'd be a catch.
Lately, the GCPD's not content to have jackboots on the ground. They've launched a network of surveillance drones to patrol the skies. If they're looking for you when you try to get airborne...
I'll be grounded. Got it. So, what's the plan?
A creative programmer could convince those drones to overlook certain targets. But for that to work, close-up scans would be required.
So if I do the legwork, you'll give me a VIP pass. Nice.
The cops have the city divided into sectors, with a set of drones watching over each one. Until you scan all the drones in a sector, consider it a no-fly zone.
No flying until we take care of the surveillance drones. Got it.
I'll send you the location of the first one so you can get to work.
Don't you sneak up on me like that.
Red Hood. Not the person I expected to meet, but I suppose Batman trusts you.
You're in his good books too, so I guess we'll be working together. What's happening?
Well, since we lost Gordon, some cops are back to playing dirty again. Kane doesn't like it, but she's not doing much to stop it either.
Corruption in the GCPD? You don't say.
I know Batman was helping Gordon clean up the force, but now any cops who used to be on Gordon's team are getting their asses handed to them. The gangs are ambushing them because they won't take bribes, and dispatchers are giving them the worst assignments because they make trouble for everyone else.
And it keeps going on until only the worst cops are left. Yeah, I get the picture.
Look, I hate to ask, but can you keep an eye on cops when they're facing off against the gangs? I know a lot of my fellow officers have issues with vigilantes, but they need the help.
It's fine. If it helps clean up the force, I'm in.
Thanks. I'll try to get you some resources to help you protect everyone in Gotham, not just us.
I'll see what I can do.
Nice job out there.
We should have been in by now.
Nearby units to Grant and Coventry. There's been reports of suspicious activity.